Alright, the Jeep is packed up and I'm going to Cowan Lake State Park near Wilmington, Ohio. Alright, so I've arrived at the campground, just waiting my turn in line. A lot of big campers up here in front of me, so I'm probably one of the few people in there going to have a tent, so just waiting on Eric. Alright, we're at site 205, so I'm going to search for that right now. Alright, so I've arrived at site 205 at Cowan Lake State Park. Alright, so Eric's arrived. What do you think so far?
Pretty nice place.
It is nice, isn't it? Alright, so we're just relaxing around camp. That's all we've done today. We haven't really done any hiking or anything. Just want to take you around camp here. As you see, let's check out the tents. There is the Ozark trail tent from Walmart's, and I think I paid like $35 for this thing. But Eric's been using it for a while. Gave it to him years ago. Pretty nice. 2 doors. Nice ventilation in there. There's the Kelty. Got this thing last Labor Day on sale. It's really cheap. Got the Outdoor Vitals sleeping bag. That pillow I had to get from Dollar General because I forgot my pillow. I always forget something. There's my Outdoor Vitals quilt that I won a contest Syntax 77 had a few years ago. Alright, next we're going to walk over to the entertainment area. Probably my favorite part of the campsite. It's our lounging area, fire pit. We have a table, and I got the big man's chair because I'm a big guy. Beautiful fire. We got the Bass Pro Shop Eclipse chair. That holds a big guy. That's what I need. I've actually, I think, bent one of these chairs like that before. So I had to get the big man's chair. Alright, so I'm driving a different vehicle right now. I bought a Jeep as an adventure mobile. I was driving down in Smoky Mountains in late July, and my Cadillac sits pretty low and is scraping some of those sketchy roads. So I thought I'm going to buy another car to drive on trips and stuff. So let's check out the Jeep. Look at this Jeep Patriot 2011. It has like 50-some thousand miles on it. I got it for under $8,000. So it's been actually pretty fun to drive. I just drive my Cadillac to work now, and this goes on all the adventures. So this is the 3rd Jeep I've owned. I had one in college, which was a big Cherokee, the box one. I drove that out to Wyoming, Montana, Colorado. A lot of fun adventures in that thing. Then I had a Wrangler, which wasn't too bad, but it's not fun driving that thing on the highway. So far this thing's been pretty cool, and I kind of enjoyed driving a Jeep again. So Eric has taken glamping to a whole new level.
Yeah, we got all kinds of new toys this go around.
Yeah, I mean, we got the glamping tub. I have no idea what's in it. Oh, we got some good plates.
Lanterns. I actually have pottery.
Pottery.
We got our new coffee percolator.
Oh, I'm excited. That's the best coffee, percolated coffee. So, all right. Yeah, it's not lightweight, but this is glamping. So if you need a lightweight food bag, check out Hilltop Packs. These custom-made food bags. These things are awesome. I got this as soon as he opened up shop last year, and bought a couple of them. They're incredibly I mean, they're just cool. They're personable, they're lightweight, and Ben, he's a good guy. Tonight I'm having Mountain House chicken and dumplings. Never had this before, so hopefully it's pretty good. Usually their stuff is pretty tasty. So that and a Coke energy drink. So dinner's gonna be good tonight. All right, just filled the Mountain House meal up with water. Gonna let it rest for about 8-9 minutes, cook, rehydrate, and I can't wait to eat this thing. Eating the Red Hots.
Big Red Smokies.
Big Red Smokies. Those things are delicious.
Nice treat when you're camping.
Yeah, it is. This is what we need right here. A golf cart. That's awesome. All right, I'm going to go on record as saying that this stuff here, chicken and dumplings, Mountain House, is insanely good. Man, it's really tasty. So definitely worth 620 calories. And for a real glamping experience, I bought solar power LED lights to illuminate the campground. All right, so we've had a great time at Cowan Lake so far. Beautiful campground. It's really nice. Pretty nice restaurant. There's showers. There's a lot of campsites. Mainly it's RVs, and, campers, and there's a few ground dwellers here. So, but some incredible setups. Like, they know how to glamp here. But we had a nice time walking around the campground, and great dinner. Enjoyed the campfire. It's just nice to come out and relax, and highly recommend you do this. Just check out the state park. It's really nice. Good morning. It's 7:15 a.m. I slept pretty good throughout the night. I did toss and turn a little. There's some people up till about 2:30, but kind of woke up, went back to sleep pretty quickly. Temperatures perfect last night. It was incredible. I did not get chilly. Actually, got a little toasty, and I had to kind of get out of my sleeping bag a little and open the door a little. So, but slept pretty nice. I feel good this morning. The crows are out crowing, and I am in dire need of coffee. All right, so here's the campsite in the morning. Pretty nice out. A lot less people. They're still in there, campers. Probably cooking like a good breakfast somewhere, just out here trying to light a fire. It's nice, it's peaceful. It's a beautiful place. Very grateful that we have these kind of parks in Ohio, so definitely need to take advantage of them. All right, so Eric has a new toy here. He got it at a garage sale. It's like a vintage, is that a Coleman stove?
Coleman stove.
Vintage Coleman old school stove. We're gonna have some coffee. The Beats Community Coffee. It's gonna brew for about 15 minutes.
Yep.
That's some good coffee. Look at that, the sun's finally out. Beautiful blue skies. We're gonna have a great day. That right there is what makes this coffee so good, the percolating. Time to chow down. All right, just had a good hearty breakfast. I'm gonna tear down camp and do a little exploring around this area.
Drying out from last time.
All right, so we are all packed up, ready to roll out. Check the place out. It was a great time camping here, and we'll definitely be back. We're at the spillway at Cowan Lake. It's pretty steep little drop there. I mean, that's my foot. She goes straight down. All right, next up we're gonna check out the beach. Got my Speedo ready to bust it out and do some swimming. Another pretty neat thing they have around here is the naturalist area. Great for kids to learn about nature. There's a butterfly garden, bumblebees, this giant eagle's nest over here, and a huge, massive fire pit. There's a giant fire pit. There's a naturalist cabin right there. And over here are a couple of big birds. There's an owl and we're thinking maybe a falcon or a hawk. Not sure.